29 for 1010 on both. They're both added to the call and all forwards to both units responding.
Control 5 Charlie, there's some yelling going on. It doesn't sound physical. Hey, stop! Hey, come code, get code. Get outside.
I want him out. Get out!
Stop.
Come here. Come here. My boy. It's my boy.
All right, let's calm down.
Dude, this girl is jacked up.
Okay.
Come here.
Copy 101 Alpha.
Come here, champ.
All right, we're code 4 kind of for
Come
now. Still keep coming
here.
code, please.
Oh my God, she's jacked up, dude.
Copy.
All
What's
right.
up, bud? This girl is so whack.
Okay, can you
Dude.
get your dog?
Yeah, I got him. Come here. Come here. Come here, bro.
All right, I'm code
This
4
girl
now.
is
We're
jacked
good.
up, dude. Come here. Come here. That's my boy.
All right.
No, that's my boy.
Okay.
How
Okay.
you doing?
Okay, calm down. Let's get this dog.
Hey,
Hey!
Okay. Shoot your dog! Grab him!
hey,
Grab him!
hey,
I shoot.
Get the dog in the house.
Champ. No, hey, don't touch it.
Get the dog in the
Don't
house
touch it.
before you get shot.
Don't touch it. My boy.
You open your car. Put your
No, I got him. Hey, come here, champ.
I'll keep the dog. Don't hurt the dog.
I'm gonna.
Champ.
Hey! You really shot my dog?
Hey! Sit down right now. Sit down right now. Sit down right now.
Dog, man. Come on, bro.
Sit down right now.
Sit down.
Sit down right
I
now.
got you.
Sit.
Sit down
I got
on the
you.
ground.
Camera fell.
You're lucky
Bro,
your dog
you
didn't
shooting
get
my
killed.
dog, bro.
No. We gave you plenty of opportunities to get that dog in
Yeah,
there.
but I'm telling you.
I just about shot your damn dog. Came this close to freaking shooting it. You need to control that thing.
5 Charlie, there was a taser deployment on a dog. Everybody's code 4 though. Get over there and sit down.
Charlie, Taser deployed, 627 on a K9.
It's crazy, bro.
You guys
We
need to
could have
control
killed your
that
dog. You know that, right?
It's not my fucking dog.
I don't care. We're
And
gonna
guess what? It could have killed you too.
Okay, well it didn't.
What's going on today? Hey,
Ma'am,
look at me.
Yeah.
What's going on?
I didn't know.
No, just sit.
My boy was-
Just
Sit down.
Sit.
Where's Champ at?
Sit.
I'm not sitting
we're gonna
anywhere.
stay right
Where's
here.
Champ at?
Sir.
No, I'm
Sit.
not.
Where's Champ at?
Sir.
Where's Champ
Ma'am, you're detained right now. You hear
Where's
me?
Champ at?
Hey.
Have a seat.
How am I detained?
Have a seat.
Where's Champ at?
Have a seat.
Get over here. Sit down right here on the road.
All right.
Sit down.
Where's Champ? Oh, God, she's fucking whack.
What's going on?
Where's Champ?
He took off running. Okay. He'll come back, I'm sure.
You guys didn't get him? Where's Champ?
Listen, stop.
I told you I
Stop.
didn't want it. I didn't.
Stop. What's going on here?
Central copy.
Nothing.
Nothing? Were you guys fighting?
No. But where's Champ at?
I don't know. Here's the thing. When I get here, I hear her yelling at you to get out of the house. She comes to the door, and then you grab her and pull her away from the door.
Nah, man. I'm trying to
Okay.
get Champ, man.
Nope. I could have shot your dog at the door when it came at me and bit at me. He could have shot your dog there. We're not talking about the dog anymore. Do you understand?
Okay, well, I'm not trying to fight with y'all, man. But where's my dog, man?
Your dog's gone. We're
Are
not
you
talking about the
serious?
dog. Are you going to talk to me about what happened in here?
Yeah, absolutely.
What happened in there?
I'm not trying to do nothing in there. Everything's fine, man.